Everyone, this is Seema Pathak from Nilansh Tutorial. Today I am going to explain more about quadratic equation exercise 2.6. As in my earlier video, I have explained 5 questions of exercise 2.6. So I am continuing the same exercise. Let's see the question number 6. That is, Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. If the production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. So what we have to find? We have to find the production cost of one pot and then the number of pots he makes per day. So let's see how we will solve the question. First we will write, let Kasam make X earthen pots per day. So therefore the cost of each earthen pot as per the given condition will be what? 40 more than 10 times the total number. So it will be 10x plus 40. Then next it is given of pots he makes in one day. If the production cost of all pot he is said that is rupees 600, so we will write x multiplied by 10x plus 40 equal to 600. Then we will open the bracket, we will get 10x square plus 40x is equal to 600. Then this 600 will bring this side, it will become 10x square plus 40x minus 600 equal to 0. Dividing by 10, we will get the equation as x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Now as we will find the factor of 60, we will get 10, 6 are 60, and if we will subtract 6 from 10, we will get 4x. So that's why we will take it as x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. Now here we can take x as common, we will get x plus 10 minus, here we will take minus 6 common, we will get in bracket x plus 10. Then again we will take x plus 10 as common, we will get x minus 6 equal to 0. So we can write it as x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore we will get x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 6. As we know that the number of earthen pots cannot be negative, and that's why x equal to minus 10 is unacceptable, and we will take x equal to 6. So the cost of each earthen pot we will get it as 10x plus 40, that is 10 into 60 plus 40 will get 100, and he makes 6 earthen pots per day and its cost is rupees 100 for each pot. So it is the solution for the question number 6. Let's see question number 7. Pratik travels by boat 36 km downstream and back in 8 hours. That means he is going downstream 36 km and then coming back in 8 hours. If the speed of the boat is in still water is 12 km per hour, we have to find the speed of water current. So how we will find? First we will write the speed of the boat in still water, which is given as 12 km per hour. Then we will write, let the speed of the water current be x km per hour. So here x is what? Less than 12. Then the speed of the boat downstream will be what? 12 plus x kilometer per hour, and that in upstream it will be 12 minus x kilometer per hour. So from the given condition, as it is said that it takes 8 hours to come back, that is downstream as well as coming back. So you will write it as 36 divided by 12 plus x, as we know that time is equal to distance upon speed. So 36 kilometer is covered. So 36 divided by 12 plus x plus 36 divided by 12 minus x will be equal to 8. So we'll do the cross multiplication. We'll get 36 into 12 minus x plus 36 into 12 plus x, and then this will also get multiplied. So we'll get 12 plus x into 12 minus x equal to 8. Now what we will do, we will take 36 as common, we'll get 12 minus x plus 12 plus x, and then here we will apply the formula of a plus b, a minus b will get a square minus b square. Now after solving it, we will get it as this x and this x will get cancelled. We'll get 36 in bracket will get 24 divided by 12 12s are 144 minus x square equal to 8. Then now what we will do, we will take this on the other side. We will get 36 into 24 is equal to 8. In bracket we'll get 144 minus x square. Now 36 into 24 divided by 8 is equal to 144 minus x square, because here it is in the multiplication form, then it will come here as a division. Now 8 3s are 24, so that's why we'll get 36 into 3 equal to 144 minus x square. Now what we will do, we will take 144 on the other side. We'll get x square equal to 144 minus 108. So x square equal to 36. So as we know, if we'll remove the square from here, we'll get plus or minus 6. So x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 6. But speed cannot be taken as negative. Therefore, x equal to minus 6 is unacceptable. And therefore, x equal to 6. The speed of the water current is 6 km/h.